What's up, people? Hope all of you are doing well. I'm actually going to the gym, fitness time, but let me show you the Kingdom Tower. If we can see from here, see there in the distance. But anyways, I'll zoom out and let us just continue with our drive. It's a Thursday, so I'm a same Changan Eado passing by us, and well, talking of Thursday, there's supposed to be more traffic here in Riyadh today, but let's see how it goes. It's supposed to take some 20 something minutes. Anyways, I'm off to the gym. My other Insta Go 360 3S camera, it's also doing really well, but it's the storage that actually got all filled up, so that's why I'm recording on the iPhone here on the dashboard. Recording here is also quite convenient, there's no issue in this. I have a couple of options of diverting the route, but let me evaluate where should we go from. I'm seeing all the possible options. So I think the best one is to go straight and then continue straight until Aruba Road. Let's see. Riyadh is hot today. The temperature on my dashboard, it's displaying the outside temperature to be 47 degrees Celsius. Not sure if it's 47, but it's hot actually. So here we go. I think to save time I could take all the other route options that Google Maps is showing me, but well, sometimes in doing so you end up wasting more time because of being unfamiliar to the route. There you see we have to go to the Kingdom Tower, and I can see it from here because the fitness time where I go to, it's sort of in the footsteps of the Kingdom Tower, the mighty Kingdom Tower. So I'll meet you after this traffic signal, and here we go. The traffic lights are green. I actually just adjusted the camera a slight bit so that you can have like a broader view of this whole scene that I'm looking at. The next car was almost sort of going out of control. are breezing through on this road. However, we need to match the speed of the lanes. Here we are now, super slow.